Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix SIB mobile banking login error issue. If you are facing login error issue, then this is a video for you. I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow this step carefully. First, the first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is connecting or not. Make sure your internet is working. Then turn your Wi-Fi off and on again, or switch to mobile data. If these are not works, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Then the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is check your username and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully and turn off cap locks. Sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for the login errors. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store or App Store, search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side, the app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issues. So the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and caching issues. Go to your phone setting and tap on app management or apps and click on app list or apps. Then search for the looking app on storage and cache. Then click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app and restart your phone. Then reinstall the app from your Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.